time I was in Vegas, I told myself I was never gonna come back to Vegas, and that was only like 3 or 4 months ago. Well, I'm back in Vegas. $100 turned it into $369, so $269 profit.
Gotta rub the Buddha belly.
Oh, I thought I was dreaming this morning when I woke up in Vegas, but I wasn't. Gonna go sign some hands and shake some babies today in Las Vegas. How do I look? I'm fancy, but I'm not super fancy, but approachable. NAB is the National Association of Broadcasting. So basically it's gonna have all types of camera, equipment, tools, fun things. Could you imagine if you had this screen in your office for trading, just all little screens popping up, but everything is going all the information? It's crazy. At one point we were thinking 4K was like the maximum, like, oh, we hit 4K. Now 8K is everywhere. 8K is the future. I just want to thank all the little people out there, everyone who's helped me along the way. It's my first Emmy. Last night I had a lot of fun. Went out to the Red Digital Cinemas kind of after parties that was downtown. And then after that we went and cruised around. So NAB is sort of like every videographer's Christmas Day dream. Because this is all the new camera technology, all the new lenses, and all of the new gear that's coming out this year, or it might already be out, but they're showing it all off. So you get hands-on, you get to feel, get to touch everything. I think I found my new vlogging camera, the new Canon EOS M50. Got the flip-out screen on the back, got the 4K. This thing looks pretty sweet. Small, lightweight. Like it, I think I got a new purchase. What's the price on that, baby? $780, I'm in, I like it. How do I look in blue? Good? I mean, the camera body alone is probably 125, lens easy 200,000. Looking at about $300,000, $400,000 worth of camera equipment right there on that little tripod. Day 2, I'm ready to get out of here, ready to get back home. Gotta get back and get to the action. Get out of this place. Gotta go. We gotta go. The face when you come to Vegas, when you're like, oh, this is awesome, I'm happy, I'm excited to be in Vegas, and you're all happy, got a little pep in your step. You think you're gonna win money, you think it's gonna be a great time. And then, the face when you leave Vegas, when you're like, I cannot wait to get out of here. I gotta get out of here as soon as possible.